नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। जय श्री प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गिरिधरी भगवान की जय। सो वेलकम बैक ड्यूटीज। लास्ट टाइम हमने चर्चा किया था 5.14.8 पे, एंड दैट वीडियो इज अवेलेबल ऑन द प्लेलिस्ट. So this time we will be discussing on the 5.14.9, particularly only on the translation, because the purport is too big. So we can cover the purport in the next video. I guess tomorrow कल ही होगा. So here the verse has been told by Srila Sukdev Goswami to Parikshit Maharaj, and it is translated by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada की जय. So इट इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल वर्स देखा जाए तो, और ट्रांसलेशन हम सबको अप्लाई होगा इंक्लूडिंग मी. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस चैप्टर एंड ड्यूरिंग द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ दिस चैप्टर आई हैड एक्सप्लेन दैट आई हैव heard from many devotees who have read this chapter, because this chapter is told on, it is based on the blunt truth of this material existence. So that's why Shri Sukdev Goswami, he cuts the knot of the material existence in our hearts, so that we become more engaged, matlab, because there is why we are distracted for duties. There is some problems in life, why someone is some attached to something else, or it can say he is distracted from Krishna. So why one becomes distracted from Krishna consciousness? Because one, मतलब बोल सकते हैं कि distraction from Krishna consciousness means attraction to something else, because we are attracted to something else, and so that something else, because something else is something from this material world, like anything. It can be like opposite sex, or many things, like हमको मूवी देखने का पसंद है, या हमको दोस्तों के साथ घूमने का पसंद है, लड़कीबाजी करने का पसंद है, बस जो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर जेंडर एंड according to our tastes. We can do anything, but why we are distracted from Krishna consciousness or our prescribed duties? Because we are attracted to something else. So we have to not cut that attraction, because कृष्णा ही सेज, व्हाट वी ट्राई टू डू दैट. अगर हमको कोई एडिक्शन है, समझ लो कि आई हैव एन एडिक्शन, आई एम वेरी मच, मुझे लस्ट का बहुत बीमारी है, एंड आई अगेन एंड अगेन सकम टू पोर्नोग्राफी, वॉचिंग पोर्नोग्राफी. सो देर इज, मतलब इफ़ यू सर्च इन यूट्यूब कि क्या करे कि देखने का बंद कर सकते हो, तो दे से दैट 21 डे रूल लगाओ या कुछ करो, मतलब यू हैव टू स्टॉप योर सेंसेस, यू हैव टू डू दिस टू दैट, हमको ये करना चाहिए, हमको नहीं करना चाहिए, सब कुछ. सो दे से सम मॉरल थिंग्स, और वी सी दैट 99% ऑफ देम फेल, बिकॉज हम कितना भी प्रेशर कुकर, एज एन एग्जाम्पल वी कैन टेक अ प्रेशर कुकर, दैट इफ यू कीप दैट सीटी बंद करके उसके ऊपर प्रेशर आने दे, तो प्रेशर कुकर ब्लास्ट हो जाता है. तो ऐसे ही अगर हम अपने सेंसेस को ऐसा रेस्ट्रेन कर करके उसको हम डिजायर्स को नीचे करना चाहे, सो वंस दे विल, व्हाट हैपन दैट दे विल ब्लास्ट. कि एक साथ आप इतना सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन, इतना भोग कर लिया उस दिन की पूरे जीवन में आपने नहीं कर लिया. सो वी कैनॉट, एंड दैट इज द ट्रूथ ऑफ दिस मटेरियल वर्ल्ड, दैट वी कैनॉट restrain these senses. But so one may question that what can we do? Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, शायद chapter 2 और chapter 3 में होगा, I don't know the exact verse, but he says that when a person gets a higher engagement, or we can say that higher taste, if a person is driving Swift and someone offers him a Fortuner, Toyota Fortuner, कि तुम ये चलाओ and you give me your Swift and you drive this Toyota Fortuner. That if that person is mentally stable, then he will obviously accept that offer because he is getting something higher. So in the same way, we will, if we try to engage something which is higher than this material so-called enjoyment, to spiritual enjoyment, and that higher thing is spiritual enjoyment only. There is nothing, मतलब आप material enjoyment के ऊपर और material enjoyment नहीं रख सकते हो because they lie in the same plane. But if you want to go co-planar, co-planar lines, the I was studying in maths standard 12. So if you want to go co-planar, मतलब above from this plane to the spiritual plane, you have to engage into spiritual activities, and you will see that when you engage into spiritual activities, the activities, the material attachments you had before, they automatically, without any endeavor, they vanish. So that's the power of spiritual life. It is, and this power is actually nothing in terms of, if we compare that, what does the spiritual life gives us. Spiritual life gives us the Krishna prem, which is the highest topmost thing achievable in this whole infinite universe. So, and all of these small things, that detachment from this material world is like a बाई प्रोडक्ट हम बोल सकते हैं. लाइक हम केमिस्ट्री पढ़ते हैं तो उसमें क्या आता है कि इफ़ यू डू अ रिएक्शन, देन देर इज़ अ बाई प्रोडक्ट. लाइक इफ़ यू add acid plus base, like HCl plus NaOH, so there is salt, that NaCl, and water, and H2O. That H2O is byproduct, but the person who is doing this reaction is not attached to water, but he is attached to the NaOH, NaCl produced the salt. सो दैट्स द थिंग. अभी इतना सारा हमने बोल दिया, मैंने बोल दिया बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द वर्स, बट वी विल गो टू द वर्स नाउ. सो द वर्स गोस लाइक दिस. क्वचिच्च वातौपम्यया प्रमदयारोहम् आरोपितस् तत्कालरजसा रजनीभूता इवा साधु मर्यादो रजस वलाक्षोऽपि देवता अतिरजस्वलमतिर्न विज्ञानाति विज्ञानति, हाँ यस, विजानाति विजानाति, सॉरी. क्योंकि ज हम मैं इंग्लिश वाला पढ़ रहा था, बिकॉज इन समटाइम्स दिस जे कैरेक्टर इज यूज्ड फॉर द न इन संस्कृत. सो विल गो फॉर द ट्रांसलेशन. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल ट्रांसलेशन. मैं ऊपर ऊपर से देख कर ही बोल रहा हूँ कि बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है करके. दैट मज़ा, बिकॉज अ पर्सन कैनॉट engage in some activity without sense gratification. Either if he is satoguni, or if he is in the mode of goodness, he will think that अभी मैं struggle कर रहा हूँ, बाद में sense gratification मिलेगा. और if he is rajoguni, he thinks that बाद में जो हो वो, but अभी मुझे sense gratification मिल रहा है. तो that मजा factor is necessary. So that मजा factor we get from the श्रीमद् भागवतम. जो भी भक्त है वो लोग, and they get transcendental pleasure because श्रीमद् भागवतम is Trigunatit. Like Lord Krishna is Trigunatit. He's beyond all these three modes of material nature. But and because Srimad Bhagavatam is the book personification of the Lord, so Bhagavatam is also Trigunatit. It is also beyond the three modes of material nature. So the translation says that sometimes, as if blinded by the dust of whirlwind, the conditioned soul sees the beauty of the opposite sex, which is called pramada. आई वॉज इतना बुरा हो गया हमारा पढ़ाई का सिस्टम कि आई वॉज स्टडिंग चैप्टर इन संस्कृत when I was in 8th standard. It talked about this only कि मतलब like that Bollywood stuff कि हम a person, when spring season comes, a person get attracted to the beauty of opposite sex. That the word pramad, it is used here. That same word pramad was used ऑन दैट चैप्टर 8 मतलब 8 स्टैंडर्ड के संस्कृत के चैप्टर में. सो दिस इज़ द थिंग. हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम बहुत ख़राब है, बट क्या कर सकते हैं अब. बट वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन द वर्स. इट इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुली सेड बिकॉज whirlwind, when a whirlwind occurs, we can search that whirlwind in the YouTube, मतलब Google पे, then you can see also. What is a whirlwind? डेजर्ट में मोस्ट प्रोबेबली डेजर्ट में आता है जितना मुझे आइडिया है. बट yes, whirlwind means a tornado. Yeah, a column of air moving rapidly round and round in a cylindrical or funnel shape. It is called a whirlwind or a tornado. So when especially this whirlwind occurs in the desert, उसमें क्या होता है, अभी यहाँ पे तो इतना धूल मिट्टी नहीं है. So if even if a whirlwind occurs in the city or a town, there is not much उतना धूल मिट्टी, आँख बंद नहीं होता. But if that thing occurs in a desert, then that whirlwind is also carrying the dust and sand particles with it. So because of it, a person gets blinded by the dust of whirlwind. The conditioned soul sees the beauty of the opposite sex, which is called pramad or pramada. uh, Even if we dissect a human body, what, because Ayurveda also mentions वो तो पढ़ाई के मामले, but if we also dissect that, it is only made up of flesh, blood, mucus, and skeleton, bones, and two products which are urine and stool. So a person, and there is a outer coating of the skin color, जो भी हमारा skin है उसका outer coating है, and there is everything of this flesh, blood, fat or mucus, everything in our insides. But we are, हमें ना बाहर का जो लुक है ना उससे हम अट्रैक्ट होते हैं फ्रॉम द ऑपोजिट सेक्स. बट if we even contemplate that, what is a human body, what is a material body, then it is made up of this, which is asat, achit, niranand, which is not blissful, which is smelling, which is full of odors. मतलब क्या कहते हैं, someone sweats a lot, then he is full of odors. उसको deliberately उसको he has to apply deodorant and stuff to make him smell good. So like this type of बॉडी से हम अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं. सो वी मस्ट बी इन शेम कि हमारा इतना बुरा परिस्थिति आ गया कि वी आर अट्रैक्टेड टू बॉडीज लाइक दिस. बाहर का कुछ भी क्यों ना हो, बाहर का चमड़ा ये कैसा भी क्यों ना हो. देयर वाज एन एग्जांपल दैट आई हर्ड फ्रॉम माय शिक्षा गुरु, दैट मतलब शिक्षा गुरु यू कैन सी, बिकॉज ही वंस सेड दैट इवन, देखो, वी हैव स्किन लाइक दिस. इफ वी, मतलब एक चाकू से क्या करें, हम पूरा तो नहीं काटना, बट ओनली 1 मिलीमीटर छील दे हमारा स्किन ऊपर से, देन हाउ वी वुड लुक लाइक वी हैव सीन द मीट, जो मीट टंगा होता है ना मीट शॉप में, वैसे दिखेंगे. सो ओनली अवर beauty, so called beauty of the heroes and heroines, so called heroes and heroines are just 1 millimeter thick. 1 millimeter thick beauty we are trying, we are so much attracted to. So we must understand this ki we are foolish, we are being foolish every second. That being thus builder, he is raised upon the lap of a woman. मतलब I have said many times during this chapter that Srila Shukdev Goswami is being blunt. A sadhu का क्या कर्तव्य है? To become blunt, to not hide anything for the, मतलब एक व्यक्ति के उद्धार के लिए, for the progression of a material being into spiritual planes. साधु शुड नॉट हाइड एनीथिंग. उसको ऐसा फ्लैटरी वाला वर्ड्स नहीं बोलना चाहिए कि तुम तो अच्छा, अरे तुम अच्छा करो कोई बात नहीं. ही मस्ट कट wherever there is philosophical break कि तुम ऐसा करो, ही शुड कट, भले ही सामने वाले को बुरा लगे या ना लगे. बिकॉज बुरा लगेगा देन ही वुड अंडरस्टैंड कि अरे व्हाट एम आई डूइंग करके. नहीं बुरा लगेगा तो और अच्छा है. बीइंग दस विल्डर, ही इज रेज्ड अपॉन द लैप ऑफ अ वुमेन. अब मैन की बात चल रही है. एंड if a person who is seeing my video, if you are a woman or a mataji, आप mataji हो, then you can contemplate of a man, मतलब of a woman uh, raised upon the lap of a man. Why? Because we are also seeing that we know that a husband is attached to the wife in the same amount that wife is attached to the woman. So this is the thing, like a boyfriend and girlfriend, if they are compared, that दो दोनों so called love करते हैं एक दूसरे से, ऐसा नहीं कि एक व्यक्ति. So because in the earlier stage, मतलब पहले के ज़माने में early BC, मतलब the Srimad Bhagavatam was talked, discussed around 3 to 5,000 years ago. There were only men who were doing this tapasya of devotional service, doing this devotional service every second, or becoming a brahmachari, or everything was available for men. So that's why in the shastras there is general context which is told for the men, not for women. So that's why. But there, in this Kali Yuga, women are also. So see the power of Kali Yuga. Even the three yugas before, they had not given this amount of freedom to the women. हम बोलते हैं कि मतलब वो क्या चल रहा है अभी, फेमिनाइन, वो मैं भूल गया हूँ. बट they wanting equal rights for the women. But what equal rights? No, however, मतलब जितना भी हम so called rights बढ़ाए वुमेन का, उतना ही उनका शोषण हो रहा है कि वुमेन को घूमने दो, कैसे मतलब एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर बनाने दो. बट वी कैन सी दैट the people who are supporting this कि women should get equal rights, they are men who wants to enjoy women. So they think that अगर women आएगी, अगर वो equal rights मांगेगी, अगर उनको freedom मिल जाएगा, so called freedom, then we can enjoy them. Because we can see that हर जगह से, if we see from every side, that the loss is going onto the woman only. If a woman wants that, if I want I want free rights, I want my freedom, and I want to live in a living relationship with a boy, so why you are stopping me? अरे but she must understand that because a man is after only the body of a woman. So after having physical intercourse, what if that man leaves with you with a baby? Because abortion is a very very heinous crime is mentioned in the shastras. So we must understand this कि क्या चल रहा है, why we are wanting the so called rights of a woman, which is just leaving them for more downfall. So the real right the women are getting in this Kali Yuga, which is the right to perform devotional service, which was not provided to them 3 yugas before, but now they are getting this chance. So they must accept this freedom of doing devotional service. So yes, and at that time his good senses are overcome by the force of passion, because whenever the woman or man meet, there is only the force of passion or the passionate mood, like because of lusty desires arise in that man. Shrupada explains further that he thus becomes almost blind with lusty desires and disobeys the rules and regulations of governing sex life. So in the Shastras it is mentioned that a person can only enjoy sex life, enjoy, so called enjoy, but Vedas describe that क्योंकि 4 प्रकार के कार्य होते हैं जो मटेरियल पर्सन एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं, विच इज काम, नहीं, आई एम फॉरगेटिंग दैट, अर्थ, काम और मोक्ष. हाँ, धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्ष, yes, yes, that 4 principles, that a person in religiosity, dharma, then earth, he engages into collecting money, then calm, then he satisfies his desires, but after getting frustration from not able to satisfy his desires, he goes for the moksha, for liberation. So that's the thing, it is mentioned in the Vedas only. So the Vedas describe that one can so called enjoy sex life in the bond of marriage only, but a person, we can see in this material world that many people are so called enjoying, and people are even, मतलब they are recommending to use contraception use करो, but using contraception is also a very heinous crime in the shastras. So because they are stopping a birth of a child. अगर उनके ही माता पिता जिस यू आर हु आर राइट नाउ यूजिंग कंट्रासेप्शंस, उनके ही माता पिता ने वैसा यूज किया, देन इफ दे वुड कम टू दिस मटेरियल वर्ल्ड, नो, सो वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दिस दैट rules and regulations of governing sex life. You can search many videos. There are explained by many brahmacharis or ISKCON devotees. So he does not know, Sherpa says further that he does not know that his disobedience is witnessed by different demigods, and he enjoys illicit sex in the dead of night, not seeing the future punishment awaiting him. So yes, there is a, we can search in the Google for the hell for illicit sex in Bhagavatam. मैंने पढ़ा था तप्त सुरमी, आई थिंक दैट तप्त सुरमी इज फॉर, हाँ, yes, there are exact verse that it is mentioned in the 28th verse, third canto, that men and women whose lives were built upon indulgence in illicit sex life. Illicit means what? Which is not licit, which is out of the marriage. Out of the marriage जितना भी sex life हुआ वो everything is coming in this illicit category. और उनको बोला गया कि मैनी काइंड्स ऑफ मिजरेबल कंडीशन इन द हेल्थ नोन एज तामिश्र, अंध तामिश्र एंड रौरव, ये 3 नर्क में उनको डाला जाता है हु आर कंडक्टिंग इलिसिट सेक्स लाइफ. सो जो यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं कि फ्यूचर पनिशमेंट अवेटिंग हिम, सो दे आर सेइंग दैट इलिसिट सेक्स लाइफ आर विल बी गिविंग द, उसके लिए बहुत लंबा लेक्चर हो सकता है. आई हैव many things to say about this, but I have to control myself because I have to keep this video short, so आप सब देख पाओ. But in short, if we discuss that if one conducts illicit sex life, he has to suffer in the hell, और यहाँ पे उसको दिया गया है specific hells which are तामिश्र, अंध तामिश्र, and what happens in that hells, that is उसको क्या कहते हैं, अगर he was a purusha or a man in his past life, and so he has to deliberately hug, मतलब पूरे तप मतलब लावा के बने हुए स्त्री के शरीर को उसको डेलिबरेटली हक कराया जाता है उसको, और वो इतना चिल्लाता है. देयर इज वेरी ग्राफिक डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ हेल्स इन श्रीमद् भागवतम थर्ड कैंटो, सो यू कैन रीड दैट टू. मैं तो आपको बहुत रिकमेंड करूँगा, एंड देयर आर मैनी लेक्चर्स इन द ISKCON, you can search on YouTube too. So दिस इज द थिंग. एंड आफ्टर कमिंग, मतलब उसका जब हेल में उसका मतलब इन द नरकलोक, इफ आफ्टर ही सफरिंग, ही many times he is aborted child बोलते ना हम. So a person who aborts child or uses contraceptive, he has to be aborted in his next life and next life and next life. And after his, मतलब उसका ये पाप कर्म उसने खत्म किया, उसके बाद उसको शायद कोई जानवर का शरीर या मनुष्य का शरीर मिलता है. सो दिस इज द थिंग, दिस illicit sex life is very 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 harmful in this material world, so we must understand. And he says that we think that अभी हम ये कार्य कर रहे हैं, मैं और सो कॉल्ड मेरा पार्टनर, अभी समझ लो ये दिस रूम इट इज एम्प्टी, आई हैव put a stopper and here stopper there, no one can come here, so I can do anything and no one will see me. So in Shastras, Lord mentions that there are 8 people who are constantly keeping us watch on us, which is, in one of them is Chitragupta, who is a associate of Yamraj. So Chitragupta, that this light, Surya Dev, and this Bhumi, everything, these agents of the Supreme Personality of Godhead are keeping a watch on us. So we cannot do something without मतलब ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि हम छुपा के करें, because every second we are being watched by the agents of Supreme Personality of Godhead. And for the devotees, congratulations, because the Supreme Personality of Godhead himself is keeping a watch on you. So you must be more, उसको एक भक्त को और सतर्क रहना चाहिए कि मैं वो और कोई कार्य ना, दूसरा कोई कार्य ना करे. So that was the good translation. That was very good translation, and that was some elaboration on the particular translation. The purport is a little big. We can cover this in the next video. So that was it. Thank you for watching this video. And अगर मेरे से कोई गलती होगी हो तो you can comment in the comment section कि what was the fault, and you can recommend me that what I can make in the future videos. कुछ आपको topics चाहिए हो तो. So that was it. Thank you for listening to this video. Hare Krishna. Shila Prabhupada की जय.